These bikes are built tough, and with this massive engine upgrade, you've got power and reliability packed into one incredible machine.
Welcome back to Bikesphere, the channel dedicated to exploring the machines that shape tomorrow's roads. In today's feature, we dive deep into the 2026 Coleman B200, a compact mini bike that has captured massive attention for its rugged charm, affordability, and simple, reliable engineering. This episode will uncover everything that makes the new B200 a standout in the mini bike segment for 2026. Design evolution and build quality. The 2026 Coleman B200 continues its tradition of rugged minimalism but adds a touch of refinement. The frame is reinforced with improved tubular steel, offering better durability for off-road use while keeping the bike lightweight and manageable. The seat has been redesigned with denser foam for better long-ride comfort, and the bike now sports enhanced fenders for superior mud and dirt protection. Despite being compact, the B200 maintains a presence that feels solid, stable, and ready for adventure. Engine performance and ride feel. At the heart of the 2026 B200 lies a refined 196 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine tuned for smoother power delivery. While still modest in displacement, the bike now produces more consistent torque, improving uphill capability and overall ride control. The updated carburetor enhances throttle response, making the bike feel more lively without sacrificing its reputation for reliability. Whether on trails, farms, or backyard riding, the B200 delivers a balanced blend of power and simplicity that appeals to both beginners and seasoned mini bike riders. Handling, suspension, and comfort. Coleman has focused heavily on improving ride comfort in 2026. The front suspension setup has been re-engineered for better shock absorption on uneven surfaces, reducing vibrations and fatigue on longer rides. The wide, knobby tires enhance grip, giving the bike a confident stance whether you're on gravel, dirt, or grass. The low center of gravity makes maneuvering easy, even in tight spaces, while the upgraded braking system increases stability when riding on slopes or rugged terrain. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. One of the strongest qualities of the B200 has always been its simplicity, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The engine remains extremely fuel efficient, allowing hours of ride time on a single tank. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access components and a design that encourages simple DIY servicing. From quick oil changes to spark plug access, the bike is built for riders who value low operating costs and long-term mechanical reliability. New 2026 features and improvements. The latest model introduces several user-focused updates. Coleman has added a more reliable chain tensioning system, reducing slippage and prolonging drivetrain life. The bike also features improved heat shielding to make long rides safer and more comfortable. The updated kill switch design enhances safety, while new color options and decals give the bike a fresh, modern identity. These subtle but meaningful upgrades show Coleman's commitment to evolving the B200 without compromising its classic charm. Who the Coleman B200 is made for. The 2026 Coleman B200 is ideal for riders seeking a fun, rugged, and affordable entry into the world of mini bikes. It works perfectly for recreational riders, weekend campers, and property owners who need a reliable runabout. Its approachable nature makes it great for beginners, while its durable design keeps experienced mini bike enthusiasts satisfied. For anyone wanting a simple, reliable machine to explore trails or enjoy backyard riding, the B200 remains one of the best choices in its class. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman B200 may not aim for high performance or futuristic technology, but it excels in purpose, durability, and ease of use. With its updated engineering, refined comfort, and classic mini bike spirit, it stands as one of the most dependable and enjoyable compact bikes of the year. For riders who want value without compromise, the B200 continues to deliver everything it promises.